The Duchess of Edinburgh was out in Canterbury on Wednesday as she visited the Kent Refugee Action Network, KRAN, which aids unaccompanied young refugees and asylum seekers aged between 16 and 24. The organization offers advocacy and support for the people as they adapt to living in the United Kingdom, as well as teaching the teenagers the skills that they need in order to succeed in college. Sophie met with staff at the center as she heard about their work, and she even led a class as they learnt about family trees. Showing off her own skills with drawing, the royal mum of two drew a partial family tree of the royal family. The family tree featured the late Queen in the center with arrows leading off to King Charles, Princess Anne, Prince Andrew, and Sophie's husband, Prince Edward. The drawing of King Charles also led to a small one of Prince William, as she explained how the heirs system worked. Sophie looked super stylish for her outing, rocking a smart pink blazer with a white shirt alongside a pair of black trousers and a pair of grey heels. The Duchess undertakes hundreds of outings every year as she visits schools, hospitals, charities, and other organizations to highlight the hard work they do for the rest of the world. The royal has 70 patronages that fit into her wide interests, including charities on blindness and other disabilities, gender equality, and children, among others. Earlier in the month, the 58-year-old attended learning disability charity MENCAP's inaugural Health Inequalities Summit at St. Bartholomew's Hospital to learn more about the healthcare inequalities faced by people with a learning disability. The Duchess, who looked elegant for her outing in a satin blouse with a snake print midi skirt from Amelia Wickstead, has been the charity's royal patron for nearly 20 years and even ran a virtual marathon for them back in 2020. Health leaders and campaigners came together at the summit to talk about life expectancy, avoidable deaths, and other barriers people with a learning disability face accessing healthcare. Sophie heard from NHS Chief Executive Amanda Pritchard, MENCAP Chair Dame Carolyn Fairbairn, and campaigners like Kath Horbury who spoke about the benefits of annual health checks.